Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important, beginner-friendly question. If you had $1,000 to invest in crypto, how should you do it? Now, quick disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. It's just how I'd personally approach it if I were starting fresh today, because the goal here is to keep things simple, safe, and beginner-friendly, while still giving you exposure to the most promising parts of the crypto market. And the first thing we need to talk about before even buying is mindset, because crypto can be exciting but also brutal. Your $1,000 could double in a few months, but it could also crash by 50% just as fast. So only put in money you can afford to lose, and most importantly, think long-term. We're talking 2 to 5 years, not 2 to 5 weeks, because patience is what separates successful investors from panic sellers. Now, with that in mind, here's exactly how I'd split up that $1,000. I'd start by putting about $400, or 40%, into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the foundation of crypto. It's the most secure, the most adopted, and historically, even after huge crashes, it always recovers and sets new highs. Think of it like your blue-chip stock in the crypto world, your anchor investment. Then I'd take $300, or 30%, and put it into Ethereum, because Ethereum is like the backbone of Web3. It powers smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi apps, and so much of the innovation happening in crypto. And if Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is digital oil. It fuels the whole ecosystem. And as more projects are built, ETH demand naturally grows. After that, I'd take $200 and invest in 1 or 2 strong altcoins, something like Solana, Cardano, or Polygon. These are riskier than Bitcoin or Ethereum, but they've got real-world use cases, strong communities, and big potential upside. And I'd avoid chasing random hype tokens or meme coins here because the risk of losing everything is much higher. Finally, I'd take the last $100 and treat it as a wild card, something fun and speculative, like a newer altcoin, a metaverse project, or even a meme coin I genuinely believe in. The idea here is that if it 10 times, awesome, but if it goes to 0, no big deal, because it's only 10% of the portfolio. Now, as a beginner, I'd use a reliable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken to buy, but for long-term holding, I'd move my coins to a private wallet for better security. And instead of throwing in the full $1,000 at once, I'd use dollar-cost averaging, which just means buying a smaller amount regularly, weekly or monthly. So I don't stress about timing the market, and this way I smooth out the ups and downs. The key mistakes I'd avoid are putting all my money into meme coins, investing more than I can afford to lose, panic selling when the market dips, and skipping education. Because the more you learn about crypto, the smarter your decisions will be. So, to quickly recap the plan: $400 in Bitcoin, $300 in Ethereum, $200 in a strong altcoin, and $100 in a fun wild card. A simple, balanced approach that gives you both safety and growth potential without being overwhelming. And if you stick to the basics, keep learning, and stay patient, your chances of long-term success in crypto go way up. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto content, and comment below.